What is a rapid web app? Well, it's a web app that you dream of having when you outgrow Google Sheets that can be built in a day. So let me demonstrate to you what I mean by a rapid web app. So I'm going to demonstrate a working portal. This is a live project that we have built in a matter of days. And of course, this is going to be more complicated than just a simple alternative to Google Sheets. But I'm just going to show you what is possible with it. So firstly, you have the ability to log into the system, and this is in Georgian, which is my native language. So pardon me for that. Yeah, as you can see, you have views rich with data, and you have the ability to filter stuff, to create new records. You have actions on top. You have pretty much everything that you would imagine or want from a web app, and it's quite responsive. You can also customize the way it looks by changing its appearance. Alright, and you have user management and role management. As you can see here, there are users that have specific permissions assigned to them. So all this is done using standardized approaches that take very little time and effort. And so a web app like this obviously cannot be built in a day, but it can be built in a matter of days, not like weeks or even months. Okay, I'm just going to go through some of the, just clicking on stuff, just showing you what it feels like to working. Yeah. So what we do actually from here is that we launch Zoom meetings from within this web app. That might be something you're interested in. So these are the trainings that were held today. You have the ability to open Zoom from within it. There you go. And so what is a web app? Well, it's an app that you dream of having when you outgrow Google Sheets that can be built in a day. Thank you.